In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to take a flat image that is just one single image, no layers, and import it into Canva and use their new Magic Layers tool to create multiple layers that you can manipulate and edit. So here we are on Canva's homepage, and log into your account, and you're going to see a button here that says Magic Layers. If you don't see it here in the suite of tools, just go to More, and you should see the option here to open up Magic Layers. Go ahead and click into Magic Layers, and then it'll give you the button to select media. So it's either going to ask you to upload an image or select an image that you've already uploaded. So we're going to select this image here, and it's going to open the image, and it's going to then scan the image. As you can see, we now have all of the layers selected. If I click off, I can select one individual layer, click and hold, drag, realign that layer. I have been waiting for a tool like this for so long to where I can grab individual layers of a flat rasterized image and drag them around and manipulate them the way that I want. If you are already in a specific design, let's say I'm working in a new file or image, let's say this one here, I can go right here and go to upload, and then I can upload an image. So we can upload, say, this image right here, and then I can go to edit, and then it will bring up the option to choose Magic Layers. So this allows us now to go in and rearrange within projects that we're already working on. Again, you just go to Uploads, Edit, and then when you edit, you should see the option to choose Magic Layers underneath the tools right here within Canva. As far as whether or not this is a paid or free tool, Canva gives you so many free AI credits per month, so you can use those up. But again, between this and the background remover and the other tools I use within Canva, it's already worth it for me. So it might be worth it for you as well. I'll have some frequently asked questions down below in the pinned comment. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.